Can you really flip $500 into a brand new, high-end adventure trek? Well, I'm showing you how with just one solid trade at a time. Hey traders, welcome back to the Small Account Trek Challenge. This is the asymmetric compounding strategy where I help day traders like you grow a small account starting with just $500, all the way up to a brand new high-end adventure trek, all paid for with real day trading profits. And what's the challenge? Well, it's to be able to do it with just one solid trade a day, and we're going to try to do it in less than 4 months. We'll do it with discipline, precision, and serious upside. All right, let me show you how today's trade unfolded and what I saw on the chart to make this trade worth taking. In today's educational trading content, we're breaking down a low float momentum stock trade on GXAI. This little baby had a powerful news catalyst, high pre-market volume, and big room for a big profit on the daily chart. And just a quick reminder, guys, if you're serious about learning real day trading strategies and you don't want to miss these educational videos, hit like, subscribe, and tap that notification bell. Every video is packed with insights that you won't find anywhere else. At 6:05 a.m., GXAI hit our private Discord alerts. The reason was simple: news, heavy pre-market volume. It's a tiny nano float, and it had some serious room to run for big profits on the daily chart. When I see that combo, I know it's worth keeping on watch for the right setup. My entry was right here at $1.31, right at 6:10 a.m. Why? GXAI was respecting the 9 EMA. Volume held strong, and most importantly, price held above the daily 50 EMA on volume. That's a sign of strength. Remember, charts whisper before they shout. That quiet EMA hold, that's the whisper telling you what's about to come. My stop was $1.28. That's just a tiny 3-cent risk. And my non-negotiable trade rule is the profit take needs to be at least 3 times the risk. My minimum target was $1.45. As price climbed, I walked my stops up, protecting profits using the Discord institutional levels from our private Discord channel alert. This is why breakouts break you. If you just chase the top, you never get this kind of clean EMA bounce entry with controlled risk. You've got to be in before the crowd piles in. At 6:25 a.m., GXAI hit a new high at $1.84, but that was on lower volume. And that's my signal not to panic, but to let it retest that high, knowing that a pullback to a major EMA is expected and necessary, but to manage risk based on the expected pullback. So that's what I planned for with my exit. I sold into that retest here at $1.84 around 6:51 a.m. Mountain Time, locking in an over 40% profit gain. Entry $1.31, exit $1.84. Time in trade 41 minutes. Profit per share 53 cents. Total profit $221.54. Respect your risk. 3-cent risk for 53-cent per share reward. The daily 200 EMA is a wall. Notice how GXAI exploded right into that daily 200 EMA, and then price stalled there for over 2 hours. That's not continuation volume. That's exhaustion and resistance volume. Institutional levels matter. They guided my stop adjustments and gave confidence to stay structured. Plan the trade, trade the plan. My exit at $1.84 was locked in before emotion had a chance to whisper just a little more. Volume is the lie detector. It doesn't just tell you when to go in, it tells you when a move has run into a brick wall. Luck is what traders blame when they don't understand volume. This wasn't luck. This was professional trading built on structure, risk management, and trading volume analysis. Did you know that most traders lose money not because of bad stock picks, but because they ignore volume and risk management? Volume is the only real-time truth. This GXAI trade added $221.54 to the truck fund. Yesterday's BTAI trade added $48, and together that brings our small account from the original $500 up to $769.54 in just 2 days. That's already more than a 50% profit gain on the account, and about 0.77% of the way towards the $100,000 truck goal. Brick by brick, trade by trade, we're building it. So guys, if you're serious about leveling up your trading game and achieving a 95% win rate, join us today at MomentumStockTraders.com. Here's what you get when you join, and it's everything I'm using every single day in each of my trades. You get live trade guidance, and I walk you through every single trade every single day. You get our custom scanners and charting tools, the same ones I use to spot the setups before they make that big move. You get access to our amazing private Discord channel, and this is where the action happens. You get AI-assisted alerts so that you're never left guessing when things are heating up. You get those key institutional levels, not the retail stuff. These are real levels where the institutions position their trades, and you'll get full breakdowns of each trade at the end of every day so that you can actually learn why a trade worked. But best of all, you're going to get real-time one-on-one mentoring from me personally and be a part of a fantastic community of really serious day traders. So who is this for? This is for any trader who is serious about leveling up their game. It's for struggling traders who've been struggling with profits that are too small and losses that are too big, or struggling with inconsistency in their win rate. So if that's you, this is the place for you, because this program solves all of those struggles. This is not a copy my trades service. It's real education. It's real trade guidance. It's a real platform to help you grow your skills and your edge. And guys, here's a brutal fact. If you're copy trading, you're just reacting to somebody else's click. That's emotional trading. That's not a strategy. You're already late for the game. What's our edge? Insider chart reading skills that actually fuels the action, not reaction. Our edge is profit, not panic. Our community inside is crushing it every single day. So if you're ready to stop second-guessing yourself and start trading with clarity, join us at MomentumStockTraders.com right now. And thanks so much for hanging out with me for a few minutes today. I hope you found this video helpful. And remember, trade smart, trade patient, and trade focused. And let's grow those small accounts together. And I'll see you in the next video.